What is the most difficult thing for cardboard factories to solve? What is the thing that affects the efficiency of corrugated paperboard production most? Which location is the place with the largest number of employees in the paperboard factory? That must be the cardboard packing link. Point. Arrangement. Flipper. Now the orders for single cardboard is very small. It's very troublesome to deal with. Completely dependent on a lot of labor. If don't deal with it in time, still need to slow down the corrugated line. Very much affects production efficiency. Nowadays, many corrugated cardboard factory have brought in a packing master. The important thing is that he's still deformed. It depends on his ability to change. Easily solve the difficult problems of the paperboard factory. This is a deformed packaging master. It's LLY PACK packing machine series PE bundling machine. Enterprises specializing in paperboard production LLY PACK PE bundling machine. The problems that once perplex the paperboard factory: the order is messy, the order quantity is small, wants to package, wants to point, wants to flip the board. These not only limits the speed of the corrugated board production line, but also restricts the development of the enterprise. LLY PACK PE bundling machine can improve the production efficiency of enterprises. It can connect with corrugated line system and automatically obtain order size parameters. The cardboard size can be scanned by laser infrared ray, and the wire packing production can be realized. The fastest packing speed can reach 28 packets per minute. Easily respond to the packaging needs of all types of corrugated cardboard. At the same time, for enterprises with multiple corrugated cardboard production line, processing efficiency is more important. LLY PACK can provide customized plant planning and automated logistics design. Meet the needs of customers who produce multiple corrugated cardboard production line at the same time. Such a packaging master who can save you money and make money will change. Do you want to invite you home, too?